2 homes with mountain views and Caddo River frontage. Beautiful brick home plus 1-bed 2-bath home on 20 acres on the Caddo River. Open floor plan has lots of windows and gorgeous views. Luxurious master bedroom has large master bath featuring jacuzzi tub and walk-in shower. 2 more bedrooms shared Jack and Jill bathroom. Living room has gas log fireplace and vaulted ceilings. Extra features include laundry room, office space, central vacuum, and custom iron pipe fence. 30x50 metal shop. Rev Mails number 18,005,422 and 18,005,423.